Hello guys, it's me back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a talking NPC. So let's get on started. And guys, if these games are blurred, it's just because I don't want y'all to copy my games or anything. So yeah, let's get on started. And yes guys, I do edit videos now. That's got me so happy. Y'all probably know. Let's go base play and let's start. Alright, so once you're in the game, you could do an NPC of yourself, and if y'all want to know how to do that, all you have to do is press play. I'll teach you. So once you have pressed play like I did, you go to workspace, click drag fellas, or whatever your name is. You'll see a model with your name on it. You click it. You click it. No, you click it. Do CTRL-C, and now go here and stop and paste. Here we go. I'm just gonna do a model of me. So you want to open your model, go down to head. In head, insert a dialogue. Here we go. And the dialogue makes. In this dialogue, what you want to do now is, alright, so once you've inserted the dialogue, this is a goodbye dialogue. You need to go to that goodbye dialogue, press it, and now write like a response that makes like just stops a whole conversation. So like I'm just gonna make it. Most people make it goodbye. I'm gonna make mine no. And this one is what the NPC says. So I'm gonna say, subscribe. Are you gonna subscribe, like, and share for more episodes? So this is what they say, the people say, and this is what the NPC says. And then, oh yeah, also guys, this is how far you can have a conversation with the NPC. So mine is 25, that's the starter one. And then insert a dialogue choice. And this is what the NPC says. So I'm gonna this is what the user says, so I'm gonna just say yes. You guys can say anything. And this is what the NPC says. So I'm gonna say, okay, stay tuned for the next tutorials. Like that. That's good guys. Now you have a conversation with him. You can now hold it. Oh, now you have like now you can have like a conversation. So let me go through this again. This is what you say to end the conversation. This is what the NPC says to start the conversation once you press the question mark. This is what you say when you enter the conversation. This is what the NPC says for the last for the response to reply to you, or if it's your last one, and then the conversation ends if this is your last one. You guys can keep on adding dialogue choices into this, and then it's gonna keep on going. So let's test out mine. Alright, so we are in. I'm gonna go up to him. Are you gonna subscribe, like, and share for more episodes? If I press no, the conversation ends and the question mark goes back. Look, 3, 2, 1, and back. And now if I press yes, we're gonna continue the conversation. Okay, stay tuned for the next tutorials. And now it ends here. So, and now I'm gonna teach you guys if you want more than one dialogue choice. Alright, now that you know like all of these, which one is the NPC and which one is the user talking. Now for the dialogue choice that you have inserted in the dialogue, and the dialogue that you have inserted in head, and the head that has been inserted into your NPC, and your NPC that has been inserted to workspace. So inside the dialogue you have inserted, there's a dialogue choice, which you have inserted before. Inside the dialogue choice, insert another dialogue choice, and then do your thing that I told you, like the things I told you, which one is the NPC and which one is you. Keep on repeating this if you want to add more and more. And now let's test out this. So we're in. Are you going to subscribe, like, and share for more episodes? Yes. Okay, stay tuned for the next tutorials. I already have done that. Great. Did you turn on post notifications though? See, now it's done. But if I go and come, are you going to subscribe, like, and share for more episodes? No, conversation ends. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Peace. By the way, guys, subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Try to get our channel to 100 subscribers. I'm trying to get 100 by at least the end of June. If not, end of 2018. Sure, why not? Good. And yeah, peace.